Today, I'm going to show you how to create clean, professional-looking bulleted and numbered lists in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever wished your PDFs could look and read more like well-organized documents, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add structured lists to any PDF, whether you're building a checklist, a step-by-step guide, or a report for work or school. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. You can do this by double-clicking your file or by launching Acrobat and opening the file from inside the program. Once your document is open, the next thing you'll do is navigate to the top of your screen and click on the Tools tab. This is where all the powerful features of Acrobat live, and it's your go-to spot for making changes beyond just reading a PDF. Now, choose Edit PDF from the list. This unlocks the editing tools and brings up a handy toolbar along the right side of your window. You'll notice an Add Text button. Look for the icon that looks like a big bold letter. Click this, and your cursor will turn into a text tool. Move your cursor to the exact spot where you want to start your list. For example, maybe you're adding a shopping list next to a recipe, or organizing action items at the bottom of a meeting agenda. Click once, and Acrobat will automatically create a text box for you. Over on the right in the Format pane, you'll find a section labeled Paragraph. Here's where things get fun. You'll see two little icons, one for bulleted lists and one for numbered lists. The bulleted list looks like 3 lines with bullet points, while the numbered list shows lines next to 1, 2, and 3. If you want a classic bullet style for a checklist or a group of ideas, click the bullets. If you need a numbered sequence, like instructions or steps, go for the numbered list. And as soon as you click, Acrobat will set up the first bullet or number for you. Go ahead and type your first list item, such as preheat the oven, if you're building a recipe. When you're ready for the next item, just hit Enter or Return on a Mac. Acrobat will automatically add another bullet or number. This makes adding items quick and super intuitive. Let's say you have tasks that need sub-steps, like gather ingredients, followed by a subset of specific items. Right after you press Enter, hit the Tab key to create a nested or indented sub-item. This will move the cursor in, starting a second-level bullet or number. If you want to pop back out to the main list level, just hit Shift plus Tab, and Acrobat will do the rest. Don't worry if this feels tricky at first. Play around with Tab and Shift plus Tab to get comfortable with how lists nest and expand. You can even customize the look of your list. Next to the list icons in the Format pane, there's a tiny arrow. Clicking this lets you choose different bullet shapes or number formats. So if you want squares instead of circles, or Roman numerals instead of digits, Acrobat's got you covered. This is great for adding a personal or professional touch, or matching the style of your other documents. Once your list is complete and everything looks just right, click the Close button in the Edit PDF toolbar. Don't forget to save your document. Saving locks in your changes so you won't lose any of your hard work. That's all there is to it. You've now mastered creating bulleted and numbered lists in Adobe Acrobat. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to hit like, leave any questions or tips in the comments, and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials on all things PDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.